Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut, just going through the motions day after day? That was David's life. He was a kind, hard-working guy, but he was trapped in a cycle of debt and disappointment. He worked a dead-end job, lived in a tiny apartment, and every night he'd fall asleep worrying about the bills piling up. He dreamed of a better life, a life of freedom and purpose, but it always felt hopelessly out of reach. He felt like a spectator in his own life, watching his dreams fade away. One evening, while scrolling aimlessly on his phone, he stumbled upon an article titled The 5 a.m. Club. It talked about how the world's most successful people, CEOs, artists, and innovators all shared a common habit: waking up before sunrise. The idea was simple yet profound: win the morning, win the day. David was skeptical. How could waking up a few hours earlier really change anything? It sounded too easy, almost like a gimmick, but he was desperate. He had nothing to lose and everything to gain. That night, he set his alarm for 5 a.m., a small act of hope in the darkness. The first few mornings were brutal. The alarm clock felt like an enemy, and his warm bed felt like a paradise he was being forced to leave. Every muscle in his body screamed for just 5 more minutes. He'd stumble to the kitchen, his mind foggy, and wonder if this was all a huge mistake. He was tired at work and questioned his decision constantly. It felt like he was just adding more struggle to an already difficult life. But a tiny voice inside him whispered, "Keep going. Just one more day." Slowly, almost imperceptibly, something began to shift. Instead of being a groggy, painful chore, the early mornings started to feel magical. The world was quiet, still, and peaceful. It was his time, and his alone. No emails, no phone calls, no demands from anyone. Just him and the silent promise of a new day. He started using this precious time for himself. He'd begin with 20 minutes of light exercise, just enough to get his blood flowing and wake up his body. The feeling of energy coursing through him was a new and welcome sensation. After his workout, he'd spend the next 20 minutes in quiet reflection. Sometimes he'd meditate. Other times he'd just sit with a cup of coffee and watch the sunrise paint the sky with incredible colors. This was his time to clear his mind, to let go of the anxieties that used to plague him. He found a sense of peace he hadn't felt in years. The constant worry about money and failure started to quiet down, replaced by a calm focus. He was no longer reacting to his life. He was starting to intentionally create it. The final block of his new morning routine was dedicated to learning. He had always wanted to learn about investing and personal finance, but he never had the time or energy. Now, he had a whole hour every single morning. He devoured books, watched online courses, and listened to podcasts. He was like a sponge, soaking up knowledge that had the power to change his financial future. What he learned wasn't just theory. He started applying it. He created a budget, found small ways to save, and made his first tiny investment. The transformation was astonishing. At work, his new energy and focus didn't go unnoticed. He was more productive, more creative, and more proactive. He started suggesting new ideas and taking on more responsibility. His boss was impressed. Within a few months, he was offered a promotion with a significant raise. The financial pressure that had been suffocating him for so long finally started to ease. For the first time, he could breathe. David's life had completely turned around. He paid off his debts, moved into a nicer apartment, and even started a small side business based on his newfound passion for finance. He was no longer the worried, defeated man who went to bed dreading the next day. He was confident, hopeful, and in control of his destiny. It all started with that one simple decision to wake up at 5 a.m. It wasn't just about waking up early. It was about claiming that time for growth, reflection, and action. He proved that no matter how stuck you feel, you have the power to rewrite your story. It all starts with how you choose to begin your day. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.